Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video guys if you have a Porsche Cayenne guys and you need to remove or replace power steering pump. Stay with us, we'll explain what needs to be done, how to access the pump, and we have a few things removed that will make your life much easier. Make sure you stay until the end guys, you will be surprised how easy it's to replace that pump if you know what you're doing. Otherwise it's a nightmare. Before we start, let me tell you guys, if you need to buy any power steering pump, parts, tools, anything like that for your Porsche Cayenne, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Something else, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. And why we do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let's explain what we have. There is one thing that you must do guys after you replace power steering pump, or you may damage your power steering pump and you may need new power steering pump. So make sure you stay until the end and I'm going to talk about that, because otherwise, okay, it will, you can cause damage to not only the power steering pump but to the rack and pinion as well, or the whole hydraulic system. That being said guys, we'll demonstrate on a 4.5 engine. If you have 4.8, the procedure may be very similar as well. You will have your intake here, intake manifold. It's pretty simple to remove. Most of you probably know that. If you don't, we have a video that explains how to do that and I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Okay, our Porsche Cayenne intake hose removal guys, you can check it out. After that guys, you will need to remove your belt. We have a video that explains how to do that as well. Check it out guys. You're going to get a tool that fits this pulley right here. You're going to go clockwise, you're going to release the belt and remove it. Your power steering pump is all the way down there guys. Now we have the radiator fan removed, you can see, because we're doing actually quite a few repairs on that vehicle. We'll be putting valve covers, we'll be putting differential, front differential and engine mounts right now. So that's guys, enormous amount of work to put differential and engine mounts, and those are weak spots on that car. So we have the radiator fan removed, you can see it's right there on a pile. Practically you don't have to do that, okay, but if you need more room, okay, again I'll put the link to the video in the description of the video below, how to remove radiator fan, and it will explain everything about the holes here and all that stuff, so you can just check that video out. Once you remove the radiator fan and the belt, this is your power steering pump. Now before you remove the belt, I'll recommend to get these 3 bolts loose. 1, 2, 3. This is with Torx guys, Torx 2. The Torx 2 is like this one. Okay, right here, let me show you quick. That's what they look like, they're the star looking beads. And I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Once you remove these 3, okay, once you get them loose, don't remove them, just get them loose. You can remove the belt. After that, you're going to remove the 3 bolts and remove that pulley. Why? Due to the fact that you will have 2 hidden bolts under that pulley guys. We'll need to remove, okay, 2 bolts under the pulley. Now you will need to remove your fender liner, so you need to have the car jacked up guys. We're using, okay, the car lift system, home car lift system, and we have it all the way down because we're doing some things on top and we don't want to climb, but it's amazing, and I'll put the link to it where we bought it from. So this is the fender liner. It has enormous amount of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Watch now. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then you have here 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I think 19 screws that you need to remove. That fender liner will come out. That's what you have here. You have even some of the coolant pipes here. And coming this way guys, coming this way now, checking it out, okay, without the fender liner, you have to remove your air filter box, okay. Air filter box, this is it right here, it attaches to the top, okay, with one 10mm bolt, okay, right here. You remove that bolt, and when you open the lid, get the filter out, you just pull the box out. It attaches here with 2 rubber bushings. So we got the box out, you can see, on both sides actually, because we'll be doing quite a few repairs. And when you come this way, this is your power steering pump right here. From that point you will need to disconnect 2 hoses guys, okay, 2 hoses. This one here, okay, with 2 10mm nuts, and the one on top, and remove that bracket here that holds this one. After that, you have one bolt with reverse torque socket on the back, and you have two bolts under the pulley on the front. Once you remove those, your power steering pump comes out, guys, through this hole. And you can see with removing the fender liner, everything's so much easier. Now, it is a job, guys, but it's doable. And if you know what to do, it won't take you probably more than an hour to maybe 2 hours the most. Now, once you remove the pump, you have to properly bleed the power steering system. And you don't need any special tools. There is a procedure that you need to follow, and I will put the link in the description of the video below how to bleed power steering pump, guys, because if you don't do it the right way, you can cause damage to the power steering system, you can cause damage to the rack and pinion, pump, okay, and you have to do quite a bit of work. So check out the video, guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below, how to bleed power steering system, or check it out, okay, we'll have on our channel, even if it's on a different car, the procedure is practically the same. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.